Okay. All right. Hello. Good evening. Garang. Good evening, everybody. Garang ko kar khana gra matungda ngasi amuk rangi kitang connection problem leibadagi question ama loisalaudra. So then huje ko keto daga huje dugi question do loisan si, and then ate top question mayam so then we will discuss, right? Adu yeng se huje. Kamaina tabo daga right? So what was the question? Let me write it down. Write down toge. So 2013 question we have. Right, so the higher music, if, okay, so I say write down the value of, write down the value of dy by dx. So dy by dx ki value open puto na high. Okay, now let's see. Yang si kamay toro puto kata have to. Now before that, I want to clear something. So yauri ba 3 se si kay na si base na have, right? Okay, now solution. Tayo to methodology. Okay, what is the mark allotted to this question? Is only 1 mark. Okay, 1 mark. So yeah, directly tum nang hola suyare. Now here y is a log of x to the base 3. Now in the high give what we have said is dy dx log of x to the kya ka मान है 1 by x. C karam kanda no c log x karam kanda है का base to e होइरा kanda ने. Okay, you have to remember that. But देखो base क्या ले 3 ले. अदुना ako keda bata base kano hana ida no to pon dakaro. And one more thing, log of kay must be to the base a hay tara ka d kamay iba yagi kana log of sida e to the log of b to the base e and log of e to the base e. I believe some na log e has in na b by log a na sumana in the yaw, right? I e has understood everyone okay. So aduna see y have exam. Okay, come on, now it is log x divided by log of 3. Now, if you want to differentiate this y, so when is the function log x divided by log of 3, right? Now, so yaw log 3 has the constant the mapanda thangdok piro log 3 later, right? So d by dx of log x. Now, as we know, differentiation of log x क्या आता है 1 by x. अदुना c की value से log of 3 into 1 by x, and this is your answer. C nang answered. Okay, easy one. Arrive a question. The only thing is that mana hangam misi question sida from here to here. C conversion je haibra or haitabra adu ka yang nang question. Now let's discuss one other question also. Okay, here we have another question. 2013 again, still it's 2013 question. Okay, you can see here this given that if y equal to sin x to the power x plus so you have to find dy by dx, and the mark allotted is 4 marks. 4 mark equation needs the pyramid. Okay, so let's try to solve this. See mo solve down na okay. Kamay talaga solve to be solution here. So what is given here? Here y is given as sin x to the power x and then plus sin inverse under root of x. Now, still khngminnase. Still the terms here. See, this is your first term. See first term and this is your second term. Aduga ani dugi marakta kai le plus sign le. Okay, right? Konjal no. So lai se kai ne haba. It is plus sign. Plus lai tara kadi. Akoi na log yagadra log to laurano. Okay, when I look at term ani say we have one term aduga plus lairamo man term 1 plus term 2 adu itaragadi so that you don't take log log we can't have a camera log we can't have a karam kanda term 1 into term 2, okay, into lairamo or term 1 divided by term 2 ramo. Sida nang log we sige ani sida you can take log, but plus or minus leram tardi you don't take log to low run have. Okay, so keep that in mind. Aduna council ki paper da hangi se sugum yam kitang tricky we bai tar nang lowba lowdaba adu ma happy yeng nang khangdabra na when to take log and when you don't have to take log. Ay tadi akoy ke dor ni log ba yad lower ro have ni na we have to differentiate it. So I have it wrong. So d by dx of sine x to the power x plus d by dx of sine inverse under root of x. Right. So see, let's say let's call this as some term. So when I see this, we call as d by dx of u hierarchy, and this d by dx of v. Right. So let it be equation number 1. So do now dy by dx I will see kanagi du by dx plus dv by dx ni where nangi u is na kaino your u is sine x to the power x and your v is nothing but okay and your v is nothing but sine inverse under root of x. Now akoy intention se hoji kaino akoy intention se to find du by dx and dv by dx. All right, now let's try to find it out. So now what was u? U though it's nothing but sine x to the power x, and I'm going to find out this in a du by dx. Yung also the power say it's a complex one, so we can take the log on both sides. So log lauro nakananimot log sine x to the power x, right? So this implies log of u. See power ni power to mamang the line x log of sine x. Now you differentiate. How did you go differentiate with respect to x? Log of u d by dx x log of sine x. Now you still reversion x still is na kari u variable ani do manade manada bani na kaitoba manada bani na apna kaitawni apna chain rule apply taw chain rule apply taw hai tar de outer function and inner function hai bam lai outer do han taw do okay so log u house hai basida log u hai basida what is the outer function log differentiation taw de ko na kai fangi log of x differentiation taw de 1 by x but the u ni na ko is kai fangani 1 by u hai badi log to han differentiate taw the kya pange 1 by u adi manungda matungda kai lai inner function the u then you will differentiate like this du by dx si matar. Right, now next time we x into log sine x I will. So this is nothing but product of function in x d by dx kari log of sine x plus log of sine x into sin labor values. Right, so this implies now 1 by u du by dx equal to x. Now yung how to differentiate taw hai karang function log of sine x adu di yung sisu dum ako na kay pani chain rule pan outer function kay no log differentiate taw di manung dalay du gi 1 by kay lakwa sine x into log log kay le hawri sine x. Sin x differentiate taw di we are having cos x sini lakto se similar plus log of sin x dx by dx the 1 so it would be plus log of sin x okay so yeah itang partition tawge and then okay makadam use So this is what we are getting right now. So hꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯀꯩ ꯐꯪꯉꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ 1 by u du by dx is equal to x times of cos x by sin x t kay tare. You will say this cot of x, right? Cos x by sin x cot x ni plus log of sin x, right? So therefore akoigi hojik khange du by dx aisu kay tare u times of x cot x plus log of sin x. Is that okay? Asibukta issue like tena in a kali, right? I hope this is okay till now. Matang amu yenga sitan. Now, what was our value of u? Okay, u we value this in. Now you have to put it back. Sine of x to the power x times of x cot x plus log of sin x. So du by dx की value अपन हम जो put रहे. Now अपन थोक तो वो कई वाली. Just look back here. du by dx की value put रहे. हम जो put तो इसना dv by dx. Now dv by dx put हो मतलब we can put back in equation 1. अदुगा answer दो tar. Now let's find out what is dv by dx. Okay. ये ना से. Now let me take another page. b तो कई का माना की है बा. We have taken b as sine inverse under root of x, right? Now, sine inverse under root x I bani na. So ko kamai pe sine v. I did not can sine notion tardi. It will be nothing but under root of x. I will get the now sine v to kya kamana root x ka. Now differentiate tau rona to the ho d by dx sine of v d by dx. Under root x I will x to the power half I will, right? Now implies function we have variable x and here we have variable v. The rule pan chain rule. Outer function pull up outer function sine differentiate or cos function. So it will be cos v in the function, okay? Into sine v. So it will be dv by dx I will, right? So the x ka saman just apply that rule. X half minus 1, right? So this will be nothing but cos of v dv by d half under root of x ni lak is that okay? Adu itar di hujain hiding is saying dv by dx kya tar dv by dx to it is nothing but cos na stay and thorakani got twice cosine of v under root of x. Okay. Now see makadong laksi hojik koi le raha dv by dx to kya kam bana raha half under root of x and easy. Now what is cos of v, right? 1 by cos v having, right? Now we not thumb the values in terms of x ni but the v ma farak ta na yaw le aduna cos v ki values ko puthok na bonus. Okay, so let's say now the sine v kya ka mana ki hai root x ka. What is sine v? Sine v is a root x ka mana. Also we know what is the relation between sine and cos? Sine square v plus cos square v to kya tani 1 tagni. So this implies nang cos of v to kya ta this is nothing but under root of 1 minus sine square v never from this. So this implies kya pangani 1 minus sine v everything can under root sine square to we are having x. Aduna akoi ki dv by dx to kya pangani it is 2 under root of x into under root of cos v ki hota 1 minus x. C ni values. Now du by dx pang dv by dx pang. Now so put it back in the equation to put back to up to this I hope. Okay, right? So therefore what is dy by dx? Dy by dx I will open a du by dx plus dv by dx I will. So let's find out what is du by dx. Du by dx is asi put tawbi tare, right? Akoina phangise ke tawba sin x to the power x, and then what we have, x cot x plus log of what, log of sin x, this is du by dx plus dv by dx. What was dv by dx? 1 by 2 under root of x under root of 1 minus x, and this is your answer. Sininang answered. Okay, right. Now let me check another question. Sini lay value se asa asigi question jiga auji aina matang hola ka dori question jiga or chalamani ko. Either you solve this or atopa question nama pirami. This is 2013 question. Okay, look at this question. Y equal to how much? 2 sine of theta minus sine 2 theta. Right? This is given x pyramid, y pyramid. Duga high is find d2y by dx square put y by. At kaida theta equal to pi by 2. Right? d2y by dx square se put y by. At theta equal to pi by 2. 4 marks ki question it. So, simulaji. Now, si ako'y nakagawa ba? This is called parameter. Kaya x is kanada depend with theta, y so kanada depend with theta. So, suguma question si ako'y nakagawa ba? That we call as parameter, right? Parameter having. Okay. The light, I think light is gone or what? Just wait, right? Yeah, I think a little bit more. Kitang para ba rin nakal. Now, iyan nga ito ito. Okay, so let's try to solve it now. Yeah, solution. X to kayo na pirang 2 cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Right? So, ado ita de kay parameter ni function dx, x ka na depend daw have theta. So, we will find dx by d theta. Dx by d theta puto kay d by d theta 2 cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Right? Now, stay out with 2 is constant ni pan thang do 2 level. Manung do kay level cos theta. Cos theta differentiate already minus of sin theta. Okay. Minus. Yung cos 2 theta even. So, dali ko kay apply tong ni chain rule. Cos differentiate already kay phangi minus sin atay di kem leng biran 2 theta dum measure asan. And then cos differentiate daw lo ron manung di sem differentiate daw hai di d by d theta 2 theta se differentiate daw hai. So, we are getting minus 2y sin theta minus ka plus sige 2 0 pa na thora ni 2y adi kari sin of 2 theta yung se theta amle mo with respect to theta differentiate tokta di we will be getting 1 aduna dx by d theta ki value do sida lai, right? Similarly, we will find dy by d theta do thokna bonus. Okay, what was y? 2 sin theta minus sin 2 theta. Yeah, now let's try to find out what is y. Y is 2 sin theta minus sin of 2 theta. Now what I'm saying is that sama na mo dy by d theta po to. Ay kitang sama ko. Sige process siga sama na. So it will be 2 sin theta differentiate or the cos theta. Sin theta again differentiate or the cos 2 theta tarni 2 theta differentiate or the 2 tarni. So it will be 2 cosine of 2 theta tagane. Is that okay? Is that okay? Yeah, I got. Okay, now this is seasonable, right? Okay. Now, the dy by dx pang dx by d theta pang dy by d theta pang. Now let's try to find out what is dy by dx. Okay? Yani ko. So if I try to okay, yes. So therefore akoina kai hai dy by dx puthok hai tarakati dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta puthok hai. So what is dy by d theta? dy by d theta hai bodo 2y cos theta minus 2y cos theta minus cos of 2y theta amatare. And then dx by d theta na phangis na 2 sin theta kari dx by d theta the phangis na minus 2 sin theta plus kari we have plus 2 sin 2 theta ni sine ko na phangis dy by dx we are getting like this. Okay, up to this is okay. Now akoy the puthwai na d2y by dx square puthwai ni. Now just further we kitang khanjale now so yauri ba 2 cos theta minus cos 2 theta hai bisi kai gan manayo 2 cos theta minus cos 2 theta hai bidi x ni. So we can substitute this value as x and higher. Okay, and then how about the denominator? Denominator the minus log tok tara ga di se lag to the 2 sin theta minus 2 sin theta. Okay, 2 sin theta I can obtain dy by d theta से 2 cos theta I show you the one that's them what lam just should the 2 cos theta si show it si this same pang this 2 cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta hai bin right so show bam le ram is okay aduna si su show it ne ta yes yang mathak ta kai ka man 2 is every time common 2 is the yawi 2 is the yawi 2 is the yawi 2 is the aduna yawi ba 2 mayam se why don't you cancel right adala koi kai pang cos theta minus cos 2 theta divided by minus sin theta plus sin of 2 theta not y by x. Okay, senior akoy no ju phang is yare ko so dy by dx phang. Okay, sige matung da amok should I yeah sige matung da ko da putuai je again ko da putuai je d2y by dx square putuai. Now d2y by dx square hai bo ko na kai ne hai it is nothing but d by dx dy by dx to amuk differentiate to tara ga we will be getting d2y by dx square function hai bane dy by dx in terms of kai da function theta da function right adu ta ti puthok se so d by dx now dy by dx ti kai ne ba cos theta minus cos 2 theta divided by sin 2 theta hai lage ko plus na mang na thamasi and then minus sin theta. Okay, trigonometric formula pan badi yabani du pan sira pan gum sira sine ko na hojik khalli basi. Okay, if we apply the trigonometric formula I think that will be easier. I think cos a minus cos b and then sin a minus sin b ki formula do pan tara I think that will be easy for us, right? Next page the yengs so ko na je dy dx now so the kai le re ba cos theta minus cos 2 theta even cos a minus cos b ki formula de ko na kai ga mane it will be twice minus or sin akla ra twice sin of kya sin of a minus a plus b, right? A plus b divided by 2 and sin of a minus b divided by 2. Upon I will do cos of a minus cos b je kai mane hai ba it is twice sin of a plus b by 2 sin of a minus b by 2 ga mane ba. Is that okay? Right, so my number thumb divided by makada lesson kaino makada lesson sin a minus b की formula, and then remember अखोई sin a minus sin b की formula दी कई माने twice that is sine of what? Tell me. Sine of what? Sine of not sine, sorry, cosine lakadaba. Sine a minus b oitaragadi, we will be having twice cos of a plus b by 2 and sine of a minus b by 2. So here we will be having twice cos of what is a here? A is 2 theta, so 2 theta plus theta divided by 2 and then sine of 2 theta minus theta divided by 2, right? I can't cannot tell the differentiation applied to the, I'm just applying the rule here, right? Okay. Now so the 2 cancel. So we are having here sine of 3 theta by 2 and some sine of minus theta by 2. Denominator the cos 3 theta by 2 right, and then sine of theta by 2. Okay, so let me rub this. Okay, after that akoy yeng si sida kay mana ba hai bu sin yung sine of akoy nang khangye sine of minus theta hai bu do kay ga mana minus of sine theta ka mana ram mana ko and si minus man lo tok pe, so we are having sine of 3 theta by 2 sine of theta by 2 ma le divided by cos 3 theta by 2 sine theta by 2. This one and this one will be cancelled out, right? Adudi kailem hoge havetang yung what is left here. So it is equal to some minus the mamang thangdok to, so d by dx sine 3 theta by 2 cos 3 theta by 2 angle meaning sine by cos t, what we have 10 of 3 theta by 2 theta. Okay, so all we have to do is nothing but differentiation of tan 3 theta by 2 all right, okay. Okay, so ako na hujik phang ise kai ga mana rahe ba d2y by dx squared kai ga mana rahe ba, all we have to do is minus d by dx tangent of 3 theta by 2 now what was so the x ni lai is so lai is na kari theta variable ani si man de adu tar ka di kana da chain will apply to tan theta differentiate to di ko na kai fang sec square theta aduna sec square tan differentiate to sec square fang ne sec square my value ji thambirani, and then mapal loigram ni na huji kai do mu la kani manung dam kai la kani d by dx kari 3 theta by 2. So this is equal to sec square 3 theta by 2. So you have 3 by 2 is common, so it will be 3 by 2 log thoras. So we are having d theta by dx. Now this is nothing but sec square 3 theta by 2 and then 3 by 2. Yung d theta by dx I will dx by d theta na ibi. Okay. Now adu tadi dx by d theta ki value do mo ko na amuk sinjan tare, so it will be minus 3 by 2 sec square 3 theta by 2 into 1 by dx by d theta ki value do kya tare, just remember kya tare ba chale dx by d theta ki value, right? So it will be minus 2 sine theta plus sine of 2 theta sini lai de value se hoji. Now akoy hoji anka loirabra loidri d2 by d2y by dx square do karam value do no kana to by do theta kya da theta equal to how much pi by 2 hai bani pi by 2 hai bani kai no skutam challa ro matang page to in locus. Next hoji kai bu do hai ba d2y by dx square do karam value the pi by 2 the putu haibani haidi n theta equal to pi by 2. That was the question, right? Question amu kaagre ne samandana natra silai question theta pi by 2 the putu haibani adu tadi pi by 2 the koina hapchilasi magi value to adu kya tarani, so it will be equal to minus 2i's sec square 3 theta by 2 haibani theta mo to ji kya lani pi by 2, right? So we'll do it, and then divided by how much makada kai lai minus 2 sin theta minus 2 sin theta haibadi pi by 2 plus 2 sin of 2 theta haibadi mo kaina pi by 2, right? Adu tadi yeng se kya tarage 2i's sec square sidi kya tare 3 pi by 4 tare, and what will be this sin pi by 2 I think sin 90 की value 1, so it will be minus 2 plus so 2 गलता ना करनी sin के इधर sin pi value is 0, right? अदुना minus 2 का 0 का ये तोड़े minus 2 2 का सीधा कमु cancel तो बने, so we are having what value 1 sec square I will move 1 by cos square 3 pi by 4 I will, okay? So अकोना दरकार हो जिसे कहीं नो cos 3 pi by 4 की value पुथोको अब ये कमाई पुथोको नहीं cos 3 pi by 4 है बस कहीं के माने cos pi minus pi by 4 है बने 3 pi by 4 है बने square में यहाँ बने square थम जीरो. Now tell me what will be the value. Is this rule part? ये pi cos pi है सी हों सिले जिसे कहीं नो pi even multiple of pi by 2 नहीं ना cos क्या लाकनी cos pi by 4 तुम लाकनी but si angle se kai le pi bu chalu re to kitang halu ha bani minus to ha bani second quadrant le second quadrant di kana positive boy only sign is positive aduna cos to negative tar ni but square ma yaw bani na adum amu positive tar kani cos pi by 4 ki value kya no 1 by root 2 aduna si kya tar ne minus 1 by root 2 whole square out solution positive boy ne aduna matlab ta 2 tar ni, and that is the value. Yes, we have another right. Next we will discuss more on another question. Yes. So this is for 2013 question. Now let's talk about 2014 question. Yeah. So here we have see the question given is if dy by dx is equal to y by x, so you have to find d2y by dx square. So we have to find the value of d2y by dx square. So d2y by dx square की value put हुआ है, and the mark allocated is for I think it will be 1 mark. Yeah. The answer is 1 mark, right? So let's find it out. So what should be the answer? See here. See, as we know, d2y by dx square is nothing but d by dx of what? dy by dx, right? So that means we have to find differentiation of dy by dx, but dy by dx is given as how much? Y by x, right? So it is given as y by x. Now we have to apply what? Division rule of differentiability. Okay, we have to apply the division rule of differentiability. Okay, or you can apply the product rule also, it doesn't matter, but let's say apply. Oh, and okay, remember what is the division rule of differentiability? Let's say we have two functions f by z, and what is the division rule? It is g square and then g df by dx minus f dg by dx. So remember this rule. Asigi rule se koi apply to bata apni. So we have to apply this rule. So here it will be how much? So it will be x square x d by dx of y minus y times of d by dx of x. Is that okay? Now fine, good. Now let's carry on that. Okay, let me rub this one So that we continue on here on this right hand side. So this implies d2y by dx squared is nothing but we are having x squared x. This, what is this value? Dy by dx. Dy by dx is given as how much? Y by x, right? This value. Dy by dx is given as y by x. So we are just putting back the value. Okay, value the put back the y by x like that. Minus y. Dx by dx's value is 1. Again, x and x will be cancelled out. So what we are having? Y minus y divided by x square. And y minus y is 0, right? So it is 0 by x square. So the value is 0. Simple one. Okay? Asini lagi value si ako yung so far 2014 we have this. Now let's move to the next question. Again, this is for 2014 again. So what is given here? It is given that if x to the power a, y to the power b is equal to x plus y to the power a plus b, prove that, what we have to prove that? Prove that dy by dx is y by x provided ay is not equal to bx. So the question carries 4 marks. Option labor question I will be or labor. This is the first question. If you don't want to solve this question, you can do another question. Okay, there is or. But anyway, since we have picked up this question, the next question let's do more. Okay, now let's see solution. So what is given here? X to the power a into y to the power b is given as x plus y to the power a plus b. Here was the power it's a little bit complex, and then the term multiply, right? And right hand side is a full term. That means we can take log. Log to what pay abra yai kasukai, but log like. So taking log on both sides, log of this implies this is product of two functions. Upon that log log of x into y log of x plus log of y is that okay? Aduna, in this we will say log of x to the power a plus log of y to the power b equal to see power si log the a plus b log of x plus y and that's my okay. Now next step yung is power among the line, so it will be a log x plus b is power, so b log y equal to a plus b then log of x plus y. Sini ko pangis. But ako na putok to dy by dx. We will differentiate both sides. Ako na both sides to kay differentiate right? Let's differentiate. If we differentiate like this, the term a log x plus what is the second term? Dy dx it was b log of y, and what is the what is on the right hand side? It is a plus b and log of x plus y. Now what is this a? Here the a is constant. So constant we can take it outside. So that means we are having a. Then what is left? Log x. And what is the differentiation of log x? It is 1 by x plus. Similarly, b we can take outside, so it will be b, right, into. Here, see, the variable here is x and the variable here is y. So we have to apply chain rule again. First, we have to apply differentiation on log, which will give 1 by y into. And what is the inner function? Y. So it will be dy by dx equal to. Here, a plus b is a constant, so take it outside. So we are left with log x plus y. And if you take differentiate log, it will be x plus y, and then into dy dx, how much? X plus y. Right, now continue with the equation. So it will be a by x plus, so we are having b by y, and then dy by dx plus a plus b divided by x plus y. And if you differentiate first x, so it will be 1 plus, and then it will be dy by dx, right? So we are having this. Up to this we are having, and we have to find what the value. We have to prove dy by dx is y by x. Now, so here we are having dy by dx, and here we are having dy by dx. So we try to combine the terms which contain dy by dx. dy by dx yauba terms in the na hana punsinaba honaba tai. So a by x adum thambiro, d by y, dy by dx adum thambiro. Season sida puriyadi 1 ga puriyadi, this much we are having, plus a plus b divided by x plus y dy by dx. Now we try to combine this term, this two terms, the terms involving dy by dx on one side and the other terms on the right hand side. So basically we transfer this on the left hand side and this on the right hand side. Yarekom yeng serud adudi kai phango b by y dy by dx minus yo dy by dx yaubasigi terms is on the thang taragadi, it will be minus kai phange a plus b divided by x plus y dy by dx equals right hand side as it is, this term is as it is, a plus b x plus y minus y minus, we have to transfer this side, this term on the right hand side, minus how much? A by x, right? Okay, so dy by dx we have to take it outside because it's common to both the terms. So we are having b by y minus a plus b x plus y, right? Now here also you take the, you do the usual thing, take the LCM and all that, do the kyatani. So LCM will be x into x plus y. This divide this, we will get x, so it will be x into a plus b. X, if divide this, we are getting x plus y. So x plus y times of a, right? So follow the same procedure here. It will be y times of y plus x. So it will be b times of x plus y minus a plus b times of y. Okay, this is what we are getting till now. Now multiply x with this. It will be ax plus bx minus a with x will be ax, a with y will be ay, but minus sign is there, so it will be minus ay. Right, now look at here. Here we have in the denominator x plus y, and here we have in the denominator x plus y, so we can cancel it out, right? Okay, no issue with that. Now continue with this. Again here we have ax and here we will have minus ax, so again we can cancel it out. So we are having dy by dx. Now multiply with b here, so bx plus by minus ay minus by divided by y is equal to bx minus ay divided by x. Now here by and minus by we can cancel it out. Okay, On the next step, we are done with this question. Okay, adu yengse. So mathakta kai leori, makhada kai leori yeng. Duna kai lere here dy by dx. So here we have dx minus ay by y ama, and here dx minus ay divided by x. So therefore, if you want to find dy by dx or implies dy by dx, this y will be multiplied here. So it will be y times of bx minus ay, and x will be there, and this term in the numerator here, this will be multiplied on the downside. So it will be bx minus ay. But this can be cancelled, right? Asian is money. These two are equal. I don't know, we cancel the way, provided karam kanda asigi layriba values in a kai tadra kanda 0 tadra kanda bx minus ay do not equal to 0. But 0 tatara gadi kakna ba yadi 0 ida bi kakna ba yan. So we are assuming that bx minus ay is not 0. Okay, or we simply bx ka ay ga मान दिए higher, right? Aduna, what is the value now? So dy by dx is now equal to how much? Y by x, and hence proof. So proof, right? So this is how we prove. Okay, and let me check any other question. Question si kitang lengthy way ko. Lengthy way banina matam si kitang chang. Aduna ni ko na matam daw ka tawris. Okay, asiga ono tayo na ba da si question si mo holam mas ito ba siya lasi 2014 bunga si ko hola si aduga ayeng makata ko question ng taws. Okay. Si or sa po question na malay ba. Hoji ito ga or sa po question ni hoji any question na. It says if cos of y is equal to x cos of a plus y with prove that like tambasi y ne ko ha like tambasi nungai ba po la. Anybody please answer like tambasi nungai bjalo wa bjalo like tamizu bu kai gino, right? Si questions ni yam hang badar kar ori se coin. Okay, the kata mark pang and all the do not tongan non tang kan why you are doing so much thing, and why you are like continue to like study and all that. Like the maram se kai gino si question them like hangzhou ku isa. The moment you find the answer, right? Nang na si answer rek phang mo matam da ko, then nang hujiki tang kaya mai pan mayam nang na pa nang dul tan ko IS o ni, and then I doctor o ning bin du to ko ni. That is not the aim. Adu nangi aim oram aim natti have art ke na kan adu mi na pa ha ga nang na pa ha po ne mi na haina po to na to na sa yu na kai pam je ke ha na pa na thallo, whether you want to become a doctor, whether you want to become an IS officer, whether you want to work in any MNC, right? Whether you want to do MBA, yeah na mayam lay na career option mayam, right? Adu hana mun nam to khang na hono ba adu khang matam da punsi tang kaya man nang si khang da be ni mayam na ujin pa nang wana ris. Okay, adu hana khang wam darkar hoy, right? Okay, so here what is given here? Cos of y se kai ga mane ba x cos of a plus y. Aduga proof the y is na dy by dx. So ako da put y se kai no dy by dx put y ba ni. Okay, yara adu di put was kai daw ni we will differentiate on both the sides. Cos y dy by dx x cos of a plus y, right? Now you can apply down general apply down because this is x and this is variable is y. Tadi mapan dagi differentiate tor kare mapan di differentiate tor y di karam function cos differentiate tor di ko minus sin y am lai jara sun cos bagre matung da kari manung da le po manung da le variable kai lai dy by dx. Okay, so then product of two function ni product rule palo first function upon thangdo, I have the x to upon thangdo, and then dy dx cosine of a plus y plus cos 2 upon thangdo ani, and then we will differentiate the first function the x to. Okay, so the to the problem iningai like this. So this is minus of sine y dy by dx ni equal to x. Yo, sisu select a plus y ni a the constant y na variable ni amana aduga differentiate to is with respect to x ni aduna yadabani na sisu general palani cos hana differentiate to ret ki tare minus of sine a plus y into manung laiba function id keno a plus y ni a differentiate to the 0 ni, so it will be 0 plus dy by dx tagan, and then study cam later cos a plus y dx by dx 1. Okay, so we will move forward. Watang amu yang asi. So kung nauzi pang is kariba minus of sine y dy by dx is equal to what we got. Okay, sige minus e mapanda lani, so to the minus x sine of a plus y dy by dx amal later, and then plus kari plus we have plus cos of a plus y, right? Now ko the putwise na dy by dx I mean dy by dx ay kalay di sidam su yaw, so we try to club this function. See any function here club down I decide am the putono that is right side is left side to transfer to selection aduli kai bangani the minus lebani thanga di plus la ani to x sine of a plus y dy by dx minus sine y dy by dx equal to cos of a plus y. Now I'll look back. Dy by dx to something by something. I cos natani sine the a ta lo ibani. Do koi kenom thorak tori adu sumtun yengsi. So here so implies the dy by dx a common log to yare. So dy by dx common log to we are having x sine of a plus y minus of sine y, and then cos of a plus y. Okay, so find the x sine y sila. Okay, sida ko x yaw ra right hand side proof to hai yaw te aduga study ko kay yaw x yaw, right? Ako the proof to hai hana yeng tai proof to hai dy by dx in terms of y the express to y ki x ki value yaw te aduna x ki value se ko put to ma darkar oi aduna krai de ki put to bani sida lai is the okay hai badi kai no we know that yung ko since ako na sa x to kay gamana yung cos y do kay gamana ya x cos of a plus y gamana bani na, this implies x to kay gamana bani cos y divided by cos of a plus y gamana gani. Is that okay? Now adu ki value to x ki value to put out salwane adu kay phang dy by dx x ki mahota we will have cos y divided by cos of a plus y into sine a plus y minus sine y equal to cos of a plus y. Sini lato is right, and let's continue. Makamu yang sige matang sa kitang yang hogo yan tan. What animak and what is this animak? Kari hari bano animak hai se karamano. Which one I don't understand. Yeah, please reply on the message. Okay, yang asi. Si makamu yang asi. So what we have now? Aduna uji ako de say dy by dx LCM log taraga d we are having cos a plus y. Okay, aduga matakta na kay like yung matakta the cos y into sine a plus y ama leijare minus kay lakani yang sin y gi makada 1 lay 1 duna sida yeladi si dum thongani and this aduga thungi potuga kayga sin y ga mu multiply tawata so oh so kitang bit more than okay okay oh just wait. Why is it not working? Okay. Aduna sida kai fange haiba akoina se fangduise sin y ama leijare into kari cos of a plus y ama lae na ko aduga somda adum kai leijani cos of a plus y adum leijare okay. Okay, this is not working right now. I don't know why. Medium. Okay, let's wait. Now, ado ita di kay later. The function is dy by dx, and here cos of a plus y, right? So kay function ba? Cos yung ba? So the function is sin a plus y into cos y minus kari minus cos a plus y sin y is equal to cos of a plus y. Now do you remember some formula by looking at this? Oh, the eraser is not working. I don't know what happened to that, but anyway, just wait. Okay. So do you remember something? If I take this as a and if I take this as y, so this will be sin a cos b and cos a, and this is what? Sin b. What is this function? Still is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, right? Ado ita asli kay gamana sin a cos b yung ko. And is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b has the kay gamana sin of a minus b gamana ba, right? Aduna si mathak lay po sa sin a minus b in e ba, right? Aduna e rasil ko. So aduna hauze ko kay phangani hai kam sida. Oh yeah, it's not working. Just wait. I don't know what happened. Network see at the way the cutting. At the end of the day, I'm having this problem. Sorry. So yeah. Okay, just wait. Yeah, the maramda is the correct. Okay, here I'm having a problem. Laptop is, I think, laptop is laptop is like running hot. Maramda is no idea. Anyway, see the other tadi. I don't have to. So dy by dx. Yung sin a sin tadi si kay gamana ne ba sin a minus b happening sin a happening kay no a minus b happening kay no y dun divided by cos a plus y equal to cos a plus y, right? Sige y zira cancel chat khani aduga nangi dy by dx to yung si cos is on the puri gradi cos square a plus y divided by mathak ta kay lewi sin a. So sin a to na mo divide turn and proof, right? Okay, it's mine tab. Okay, I'm having this issue. Kitang issue mo didum lay in networking problem and all that. Pare, ngasi si book tawrasi, and my laptop is not working right now. Laptop is work properly, right? Okay. sini akoina ngasi akoina leiba chapter sibukta tawse 2000 kya ko no kon hotkre hoji kara hole natra hayeng makha ta question khara ga amu kano tawse amu ko holas. Okay then, till then, have a nice day, be safe, right? I'm safe when dum lay you and revise the oracle later. Okay. Okay then, thank you once again.